In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a page in Google Docs. If you want your document to look more organized, or you need a layout that places text side by side, using columns in Google Docs is a simple and effective option. This is especially useful for things like newsletters, flyers, study guides, or any document where a two-column format makes the content easier to read. I'll walk you through exactly how to set it up and how to move from the left column to the right column when you're ready. To begin, open your Google Docs document and go to the top menu. Click on Format, then move down to Columns. You'll see a few layout options appear. From there, select the two-column icon. As soon as you click it, your page will be split into two sections. This means your text will now flow in a column layout instead of stretching all the way across the page. Once the two-column format is turned on, you can start typing on the left side of the page. This is the first column, and it works just like normal text entry in Google Docs. As you type, your content will stay within that narrower column, which can make long sections easier to scan and read. If you're creating a document with separate sections or balanced content, this layout can give it a cleaner, more professional appearance. Now, if you want to move your typing cursor over to the right side without filling the entire left column first, there's a quick way to do that. Go to the top menu again and click Insert, then Break, and then choose Column Break. This tells Google Docs to stop the current column and place your cursor at the top of the next one. In this case, it will move your typing position from the left column to the right column. After that, you can continue typing in the right column just like you did in the left. This is helpful when you want to control exactly where content starts, instead of letting Google Docs automatically move text over only after the first column is full. That's all it takes to split a page in Google Docs and work between two columns. It's a very simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and how easy it is for others to read.